The mystery of the dark horse, unraveling idioms in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, a dark horse. This phrase is a great example of how colorful and intriguing English idioms can be. So, let's dive into understanding what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. A dark horse is an idiom that describes someone with surprising talents or abilities, who hasn't been previously known in a certain context. Originally, this term came from the world of horse racing, where a horse that was not known to the bettors and ends up winning a race was called a dark horse. Today, it's commonly used to refer to a person who unexpectedly excels in a competition or succeeds in a situation where others are not expecting it. Let's see how to use a dark horse in different contexts. In a work setting, we never knew that John was such a good public speaker. He was really a dark horse during the presentation. In competitions, the new player on the team turned out to be a dark horse, scoring the winning goal in her first game. In elections, the candidate was a dark horse in the political race, but he managed to gain a surprising amount of support. Using a dark horse is quite simple. You can refer to someone as a dark horse when they reveal skills or abilities that were not known or expected by others. It's often used in a positive and admiring way. Similar idioms to a dark horse include an unsung hero, someone whose achievements are not recognized as they should be. Out of left field, something unexpected or unusual. Underdog, a competitor thought to have little chance of winning a fight or contest. That's all for our exploration of the idiom, a dark horse. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to our language, making conversations more vibrant and interesting. We hope you found this video helpful and that you'll start using a dark horse in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.